Yas Island, heart of Abu Dhabi, and center of UAE's entertainment, is one of the most exciting destinations when you are planning a trip to Abu Dhabi. Home to Farrari World, Warner Brothers World and Yas Water World, Yas Island is a place from where you will never want to leave. The island offers you several staying options. You can find all options on the Yas Island website. We made our booking through booking.com. Crowne Plaza never disappoints me. If you are an IHG member, this is your piece of cake at Yas Island. The hotel will be welcoming you at its wonderful lobby area. When you book for your stay, you can also book with park access. You can book access for any of the 3 parks. This will also save you some money. Perfectly located in Yas Island, the Crowne Plaza is 10 minutes distance from Abu Dhabi International Airport, 2 minutes from downtown and only an hour from Dubai. The hotel is easily accessible from everywhere. Just besides the hotel entrance, you will have the Yas Express shuttle bus station. Free shuttle buses rounds the whole Yas Island all day long, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now have a look at the guest rooms. We booked for a standard room with park access and breakfast. Room has a golf course faced balcony, from where you can see the swimming pool area. Staying at Crowne Plaza allows you to visit nearby attractions like one of the world's leading Islamic architecture, Sheikh Zayed Mosque, the Presidential Palace of United Arab Emirates, the Qusur Al Watan, Center of Art and Culture, the famous Louvre Museum, the Warner Brothers World, Yas Water World, and the majestic Farrari World. If you want to know more about all these attractions, subscribe to our channel. We have separate videos on each of the attractions.